Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, no matter where you are in the world. This is Howie, and I'm here to help you win with money. Today is March 4th, 2022. It's the last trading day of week number 9. So this week has been a pretty rough week. We look like we're going to end this on a down note, and what that means is this will be the third week of down markets. So if you're trading, and if you bet on the wrong direction, you probably lost money. If you're an Iron Condor player, and if you're long term, 3 weeks down is actually really a bad thing. Normally you want markets to go up 1 week, down 1 week, up 1 week. You want it to stay in a range, but 3 weeks in one direction is really bad for a trader that is trying to play a non-directional type bet. If you're on Facebook, please join me in Investing 102 Facebook group. This is where you can level up your investment knowledge in options, real estate, stock, insurance, and other stuff. Normally I post my trades right away so you can see it, and then I will post it with the date of my trades and stuff like that. So you'll see the data and you'll see the time. So this was on 3/2, so let's go straight to ETrade. Let's look at the portfolio and see what type of things we need to do. I'm not sure of what type of adjustments I need to do today. So I did put it in trade for ETrade, and I just updated it right now. It was the same thing. I have a cover call on this. You see, this is not going our way when the shares go down. So I just updated my cover call, collected another. The difference was $10 or $15. Remember, you're closing one and then you're opening another one. But the go is, so while cover calls only make money when your shares are close to your cost basis, it's really bad when it's not. Don't forget that this particular share traded upwards of $100 and now it's down here. So we're talking about a huge drop. Now the good thing is it's a small percentage of the portfolio, literally $1,600 out of my $77,000 portfolio. So I'm not worrying about it. This is why options trading is, if you collect premium on your moves, it reduces the pain. Bet is in the right direction and your stock goes up, then obviously it adds extra juice to your money that you made. So here's one where this is energy transfer. There's not a lot to do on this one. I'm going to let more time go by. I'm playing both sides of it. And as long as this price stayed between the $9 and $11, we're fine. So there's nothing to do there. This one, there's really not much for me to do right now. I think this one, I wish I had more options to do. You see, this is coming down, which is great, because my cost basis is $27. So I'm going to wait for some more time to expire before I roll this out into the future. And I think the only thing that I want to do here is, on this particular play, there's not a lot of things to do here either. I may want to roll this one down. This is the part of the 2, 3, 4 Iron Condor strategy. And what I want to do here is maybe roll this call side down. So this thing has, you see, there's almost 13 cents different. So by rolling this to add more risk, I'll show you what that will look like. That will be the March 31st on the call side. I need to roll that down and add a little bit more risk, because if you want to be even more riskier, we can do something like this and collect the 17 cents. Because what I'm saying is, even if next weeks go up, there's no way it's going to go all the way up to 268. So let's collect 18 cents there. 4 contracts minus the $6 commissions becomes $65. Let's see, can we get that trade across? And that one did go across. You see that? We'll just hit the portfolio again, and I'll scroll back to the. So what that looked like today is I moved this down. You see how I added more risk? So the difference before was about 10 cents or 13 cents. I don't remember exactly. So I added more. The difference now is a little bit wider, but I'm okay with that because we see where it is today. The market is down, and I may want to do that. So this is all the trades that I did so far. I don't think there's a lot of trades for me to do today. You can see that I did roll down my ETrade. I rolled it out one more week, rolled it down about $1.50, collected $15. And this is the trade that I was talking about. What I did was I ended up rolling the cost side because it was untested. S&P is down today. I needed to bring it much lower. I don't think the market's going to turn around and shoot up at the end of the month. So I collected $18 times 4 minus the commission. Now the second option is I can eventually turn it to an iron butterfly and then let it go really close to the wire, like 3-4 days or 2 days to expiration. Most of my put side are at 400 or like 390, so I still got some room to budge there. So that's always an option, so I'll keep an eye on that. But until then, let's see what the market is doing right now. And I just think this weekend is going to be horrible. Obviously with the news, with the geopolitical risks and the invasion, it almost implies that next week's going to be difficult. If the news come out that, you know, something bad happened over the weekend, the market will open sharply down again. So I think it's time to take some risks off the table. So that brings the this video to an end. Make sure you comment, subscribe, and share this video with others. This is a short trading video. If you want to watch some other videos, check out my playlist. I have some videos for Exposed by Math. They teach a lot of concept and theory. I have some Level Up 101 and 102 type videos. So those are very informative also. If you want to just learn the mindset, go check those out. Until then, don't forget, let's do this together. Let's do this $1 at a time. And always have a profitable day. Bye-bye.